To make this absolutely delicious omelette, I'm using 1 carrot, 1 onion and a clove of garlic, and I'm cutting the onion about 2 millimeters thick and slicing the garlic fine and grating the carrots on the large grating setting. In a non-stick pan, I'm pouring 3 tablespoons of oil and just heating that. While we're waiting for the oil to heat up, I'm beating up 5 eggs. To that, I'm adding 1 heaped teaspoon of chicken powder and just mix that together. The oil is hot in the fry pan now. Add the onions and cook until slightly tender. Add salt and pepper to taste. Add the carrots and cook until tender. Now add your garlic. Once it's all cooked to a nice tender state, remove from the heat and cool down just a little bit. Add it to the eggs and blend through. Add the remainder carrot mixture to the omelette and blend through. Using the same fry pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Heat that, test to see that the oil is hot enough, and then add the egg. So that the omelette is easier to flip. Start lifting the sides so the egg can run underneath and cook to make a solid base, to make it easier to flip. Cook it until it's mostly stuck together. Once it's quite firm at the bottom, tip your pan slightly to one side and then flip the omelette. For this particular omelette, you're not going to be able to flip it in one piece. Now let the other side cook until firm. I'm using lactose-free cheddar cheese and just topping the omelette off. And there you have the most beautiful carrot, onion, garlic and cheese omelette. Thank you so much for watching.